Cat's in the picture. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Low Carb with Jennifer. I blog over at jenniferbands.com. I blog about keto and low carb recipes. If that is something you're interested in, please like and subscribe. So today I'm going to show you 4 of my favorite keto sugar-free snacks that will be perfect for any kind of holiday party you've got going on this season. Starting with these crispy Parmesan cheese chips. Then we're going to make some crispy tortilla chips. These are really interesting and they are super easy and really crispy. And then we're going to make my butter cookie energy bites. And then I have a special treat. I used some Keto brownie mix and I made these cute little brownie bites. So stick around. We're going to make these recipes. You're going to see just how easy they are. You can find all of the recipes on my blog, jenniferbands.com. I also have a couple of the recipes and some instructions for the Parmesan crisps and for the brownie bites in the description below. So let's get started.
Okay, for these cheese chips, we're doing 1 tablespoon size heaps of Parmesan cheese on a lined baking sheet, and we are baking those for about 6 to 8 minutes at 400 degrees. They come out nice and crispy. Oh, look, those are perfectly cooked. They are so good. Next up is the butter cookie energy bites. We've got almond flour, melted butter, vanilla extract, sweetener, powdered sweetener, I like Swerve, and a pinch of salt. All of the recipes for these posts for this video are in the description below. So just combine all of that, and then we're going to scoop them all out. First, you want to make sure it forms a good dough and it all sticks together. If it doesn't, then you either need to add more butter or more almond flour, but I've never had that happen. So I used a small scoop, and then we just roll them into balls. And you can refrigerate these to get them more firm, or you can eat them as is. They are delicious. This is a very popular recipe on my blog, and people have put lemon extract in them, different things. Okay, here's the tortilla chips. That is egg whites, chia seeds. I told you this was interesting. Water, and some salt. We're going to blend all of this together, and what happens is the chia seeds break down and they start to get thick, and they make like a paste kind of. Then we're going to spread it all out onto a baking sheet. This does not work with parchment paper. You have to use one of these silicone baking mats. And we're going to spread it all out evenly. Make sure there's no holes. Just like that. And then we're going to bake these, and they're going to bake twice. The first time we bake them, we're going to pull them out and we're going to cut them into chip shape. And then we're going to bake them one more time to get them really crispy. And these are so perfect, and they're not a lot of calories, and they're perfect for dipping. Okay, here are the Brownie Bites. I'm using this Lakanto sugar-free brownie mix, and this stuff is really good. I ordered it from their website. We're going to mix in 2 eggs. And this brownie mix was the perfect amount to fill my mini muffin tin. I literally had no excess batter. So we're going to stir all of that up. We also added in melted butter. So then with that same little scoop that we used for the butter cookie energy bites, we're going to scoop into this oiled baking muffin tin. It makes a lot of little bites. And after they were finished, I sprinkled on some Maldon coarse salt because I am obsessed with it. I literally bought a 3-pound bucket of the stuff. And these are so good. So that is all of the recipes. We've got our brownies, our butter cookie energy bites, the chips, and our cheese chips. And all of these recipes, the links and everything can be found in the description below.